This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start in Settings because that central control lets you change an app sound without reinstalling it. Tap Settings, then either scroll to the specific app or open Notifications and select the app from the list. Once done, make sure the Apps Allow Notifications toggle is on. Otherwise, sound options remain hidden. You're moving quickly. Enabling notifications first prevents dead ends and saves time when you reach the sound selector in the app's notifications pane. Next, tap Sounds or the sound option inside that app's notification page so you can pick the tone. You can choose a default tone or select a custom ringtone or tone you've imported. This changes how that app alerts you without affecting others. Make sure to test a few options. The app may offer separate sounds for banners, calls, or messages. If the app lacks a sound setting, open the app itself. Some apps host sound controls inside their own settings section. Finally, save your selection and trigger a test alert so you confirm the change. Send a message to yourself or use the app's test feature. If you hear nothing, make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb isn't silencing the app. Check the ringer/volume and mute switch and confirm the app is updated. If problems persist, restart the iPhone, and if that fails, update or reinstall the app. These steps clear configuration glitches and restore the notification sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.